Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at TVS Luxure, which is located in Anna Nagar, one of the prime location in Chennai. And this project is developed by TVS Emerald. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. Now let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are near the land parcel and basically here's the land parcel. So you can have a look at the tower itself and about the marketing offices inside the tower itself. Let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project consists of two towers in 2.1 acres. So both the towers are parallelly featured, with each tower of basement still plus 16 floors having 128 units with 3 BHK, 4 BHK and duplex premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located exactly behind VR Mall in Anna Nagar, Chennai. And let me show you that basically this road will connect you towards Satya Sai Nagar Road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. Coimbatore Metro Station is 5 minutes away from the project. Rohini Cinema is 7 minutes away. Anna Nagar Tower Park is 10 minutes from the location of the project. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like a grand clubhouse with gymnasium, tennis court. Here's a swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, walking track and many more amenities in the project. And even here's the rooftop amenities as well. Now let's discuss the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with 3 BHK in different variants, 4 BHK and even duplex penthouse premium residencies. 3 BHK premium starting from 1842 to 1999 square feet. 3 BHK grand is 2144 to 2176 square feet. 4 BHK is 2601 to 1665 square feet. Duplex penthouse is 3042 to 3354 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of TVS Luxure, which is located in Anna Nagar, one of the prime location in Chennai, a project developed by TVS Emerald.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.